Hello, and welcome to City Professionals. Here at City Shade Company, we understand some of your constant struggles. We know that one of the largest challenges you face is slow lead times due to too many middlemen. At City Shade, we do not just take your order and send it to a workroom. We are the workroom. Located in sunny South Florida, we have over 50 years of window treatment experience. Our fabrication facility is over 50,000 square feet and is full of machines that utilize all of the latest technology available. This allows us to provide the highest of quality with fast lead times and competitive pricing. It allows you as designers, installers, and those that are part of the trade to be able to focus on your clients and doing what you love, while we take care of the fabrication and labor-intensive work. We also know that there is a very strong need for access to design and quoting tools. That is why we have developed our City Studio software, which is an upcoming exclusive feature that will be free to use for all of our City Shade trade professionals. This software allows you to build multi-layered treatments right on your client's windows, allowing them to visualize your design as if it were already installed in their home. And our value doesn't stop there. To make the process even more streamlined, our online configurator allows you to easily quote your project and then submit your design directly to us, the workroom. As a City professional, you will also enjoy exclusive discounts, a dedicated support rep, preferred swatch program, and access to exclusive designs, as well as many more exciting features to come. There's so much possibility with City Studio, and you'll be the first to try. Thank you for being part of our City Professionals, and we look forward to gaining your business.